39 News proudly presents West Tennessee Talks Back, a guest editorial. The following views expressed do not necessarily reflect the views of the staff and management of WNBJ.
If a man falls 7 times, that number 7 means complete. I fell completely. Eating out of garbage can, eating in all kind of stuff. Drinking pops that was hot on the street, laying on the curb. I picked it up because I'm thirsty, drinking. Didn't know what I was doing. And I'm saying this to you. I took charge of my life when I wanted the right thing. That was Jesus Christ in the Salvation Army being saved. You know, when I turned 15 years old, my grandfather put me out of the house because I pulled a knife on him, and he told me to get out of the house. I went across the street and stayed with this young guy. He was 20 years old, wrong thing for me to do, and I stayed with him, and he was selling weed, and I used to take 2 hits of window pane a day. That's 100% acid, hallucinating. And then at one time I took 17 volumes. I used to be a runner for a dope man in Detroit, Michigan, and he used to give me like 3 packs a day, and I used to shoot it in my arm, 3 packs of heroin. I shouldn't even be here like I'm saying. The way I came out, I saw a way out through church, being honest. When I came off of drugs in the Salvation Army, I ran after a church on West 3rd Street in Dayton, Ohio. Because once you come out of drugs and alcohol, you got to learn how to speak right, how to talk right. So you got to, study to show yourself approved. Channel 39. 39 is when Jesus took his last whooping, his last strike. He had a hit of 39 lashes for our sins. And I just want to thank the news people for having me on to share my testimony. And I hope somebody can see this to help somebody off of drugs and alcohol.
This has been 39 News West Tennessee Talks Back, a guest editorial. The preceding views expressed do not necessarily reflect the views of the staff and management of WNBJ. If you'd like to be featured in a future West Tennessee Talks Back segment, visit WNBJTV.com and click on the Talks Back tab.